Understanding two bodies, one soul. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beauty of the English language and unlock the meanings behind common phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a profoundly touching expression, two bodies, one soul. This phrase captures a unique emotional and spiritual connection between two people. Let's embark on this journey to understand its depth and how you can use it to express feelings beyond the ordinary. At first glance, two bodies, one soul, might sound like something out of a fantasy novel. Literally, it suggests two physical forms sharing a single soul. Of course, we know this isn't possible in the physical world we live in. So, what does this phrase really mean? It's all about the deepest level of connection and unity between two individuals, often used to describe relationships filled with love, understanding, and harmony. This expression is steeped in symbolism. The soul represents the essence of a person, their thoughts, feelings, and values. When we say two people are one soul, we're talking about an extraordinary alignment of these elements. It's as if their love and mutual understanding have bonded them so tightly that they think and feel as one. This phrase can apply to romantic partners, close friends, or family members who share an unbreakable bond. How do you use this phrase in real life? Let's look at some examples. Even though they were miles apart, their letters revealed they were truly two bodies, one soul. Their marriage is a testament to what it means to be two bodies, one soul, sharing every joy and sorrow as if they were their own. In literature or movies, characters described as two bodies, one soul, often share a destiny or purpose that transcends their individual experiences. Understanding expressions like two bodies, one soul, enriches our ability to express complex emotions and relationships in English. It allows English language learners to convey profound connections and feelings that might be hard to describe with simpler words. This phrase teaches us about the power of language to capture the depth of human relationships. We hope this exploration of two bodies, one soul, has given you a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the English language. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's a tool to express our deepest emotions and connections. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this lesson has been as enriching for you as it has been for us. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in our next video.